Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator backup not working. The first method is to reinstall the app on your new phone. Remove the Microsoft Authenticator app completely from your device. After that, install it again from the App Store or Play Store. When you open the app, do not sign in right away. Look for the option that says Restore from Backup or Begin Recovery. Tap on it, and then sign in with your personal Microsoft account. This helps the app find your saved backup correctly. The second method is useful if you still have your old phone. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your old device. Go to Settings and find the Cloud Backup option. Turn the backup off and wait for about 30 seconds. Then turn it back on again. This will force the app to create a fresh backup. After that, go back to your new phone and try the restore process again. The third method is for Android users. Open your phone's settings and go to Apps. Find Microsoft Authenticator in the list and tap on it. Go to Storage and select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will reset the app completely. Now open the app again and try restoring your backup from the start. These methods usually fix most backup problems and help you restore your accounts without issues. Thanks for watching.